Today we are moving on to number 12. Number 12 reads, for the expressions 10 times x plus 1 and 8 times x plus 1 squared, find the highest common factor. So I'm just going to write these numbers that we have been given. So we have 10 times x plus 1, and we have 8 times x plus 1 squared. So the factors of this number are, that's 2 times 5 times x plus 1, and the factors of the other number are 2 to the power 3 times x plus 1 squared. So when you're looking for your highest common factor, you look for the factors that are common to both numbers, and you choose the common factors with the lowest power. So here we have got 2, and here we've got 2, which means 2 is included when you're finding highest common factor, and you choose the one with the lowest power, and which means it's just 2 to the power 1. And then we ignore 5 because 5 is not common, and then we look at x plus 1. So x plus 1 is included, and x plus 1 is the one with the lowest power between the two, this one and this one. So it means our answer is going to be 2x plus 1. So I'll write it here, 2 times x plus 1 is the highest common factor. And lowest common multiple, we include all the factors that are present. So I'm just going to use the working that I have put up here. I'm just going to use this working here. So now we have got lowest common multiple. We have 2. So 2 is included, and we choose the one with the highest power. We have got 5. 5 is included, although it's appearing to only one number. And we also have x plus 1. We also have x plus 1, and we choose the one with the highest power. So which means this is 8 times 5 times x plus 1 squared, and our answer is going to be 40 times x plus 1 squared. So this is the lowest common multiple, of that of those two numbers. So we move on to number 13. So number 13 says, a triangle has sides of length 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 12 centimeter. Find the cosine of the smallest angle as a common fraction in its simplest form. So we can just draw a right angled triangle here. And just draw a right angled triangle like this, and we can say this is 5 centimeter, the shortest side, followed by 8 centimeter, and this is 12 centimeter, and we've been asked to find cosine, and this is the smallest angle. So we have an acronym that we use to help us solve such questions, and it's called SOHCAHTOA. So here CA is the one that represents cosine. So we're going to say if this is theta, this angle, the smallest angle is theta, then our answer is going to be cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, and 8 is the adjacent and 12 is the hypotenuse, and 4 into 8, that's 2, and 4 into 12, that's 3, and our answer is going to be 2 over 3. We move on to number 14. 14a says solve the equation 5 to the power x is equal to 125. So if 5 to the power x is equal to 125 and 125 is equal to 5 to the power 3, you can just do it like this. If you want to find that, say 5 into this, that's 2, 5, 5, that's 5, and 5 here, that's 1, which means 125 is equal to 5 to the power 3, and x is equal to 3. Say x is equal to 3. Okay. We move on to number 14b. Number 14b says simplify 98 over 32 to the power minus half. So we can do it this way. We take 98 here and 30 and 32 to the power minus half. We look for common factors here. Common factors, we can use 4. Let's try 2. 2 into 32, that's 16. 2 into this, that's 4. Remember 1 into this, that's 9. So we're going to have here 49 over 16 to the power minus half. So the reciprocal of 49 over 16 is 16 over 49. So we can change this one, and we have 16 over 49, and then we drop the negative sign on the power, which is equal to the power half now. And inside we're going to realize we have 4 squared, which is equal to 16, and we have 7 squared, which is equal to 49, and we raise that to the power half. So in other words, what we are saying is 4 over 7 is being raised to the power 2, and the whole fraction is also being raised to the power half, which means here 2 times half, we're going to have our answer as 1, and our final answer here is going to be 4 over 7. Number 15 says given that x is equal or greater than minus 2 but less than or equal to 5, and 3 is equal to 3 or greater than but less than or equal to 10. Calculate the greatest possible value of y squared minus x squared. So what you need to do to get the greatest possible value, you use the lowest digit you can find on the x range, and you're going to realize that the lowest digit is going to be okay, let's do it this way. We're going to say the range for x is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and for y the range is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here, if x takes the value 0, and y takes the value 10. Y squared minus x squared is going to be 10 squared minus 0 squared, which gives us 100 minus 0, and our answer is going to be 100. Okay, let's move on and look at number 15b. Number 15b, it says find the least possible value of xy. That is a product. So here we're going to realize under x we will take the least value, the least negative value, which is minus 2, and on y we take the largest, which is 10. Since it's a product, xy is going to be minus 2 times 10, and you get your answer is minus 20. Okay, so today we are going to end here, and we'll continue answering this paper in the next lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Just go through and keep revising. I'll see you in the next lesson.